Hello and thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to explore a simple blog editor created to help you edit and publish blog posts easily. With the help of an AI assistant, the process is smooth and even fun. For all the files you need and further information, including project details and resources, check out the GitHub link provided in the description. Let's start by taking a look at the site. On the main page, you'll find the 4 most recent blog posts displayed as cards. You can read any of these posts by simply clicking on their cards. The blog page shows all blog posts ordered by their creation date. Each blog card features a card image at the top, a category label, the blog title, the first part of the blog post text, and a Read More button. Now, let's dive into the blog editor. This tool helps us create and publish blog posts. Finished posts along with index.html and blog.html files are saved locally on our computer and need to be uploaded to our server. It's best to keep all necessary files on your local machine so you can preview the final web page and blog post before uploading them. To get the editor up and running, you can open your terminal, navigate to your project folder, and start a local web server with a tool like Python. Let's create a blog post together and see how the editor works. The editor has 2 main sections, the control panel and the live preview. In the control panel, the File Actions section lets us create a new post, save the draft we're working on, or reload an existing post for editing. Since we don't have a saved draft, we'll start fresh. Next, in the metadata section, we can define the post's title and author. For now, just fill in the author field. Publish date is generated automatically. We can add a link to a card image or select a file from the file browser. Just remember, images need to be placed in the images folder in the main directory because our web page loads images from there. You can select a category or create a new one if none fit. The blog editor stores category lists in a JSON file located in the main folder. In the Add Content section, there are several options for building your blog post. The AI section is packed with features but is inactive until you provide credentials for your AI providers. This can be done in the AI settings dialog. You can use free or paid AI providers. Credentials are securely stored in your local browser memory. Let's provide our Grok API key. Once validated, all available Grok models appear in a drop-down. We'll choose the Llama model. The heads-up notification tells us that no image models are currently available. Don't worry, we don't need them just yet. Let's ask our AI assistant to create the first paragraph. Then use the copy function to insert this intro into your post. Add a normal paragraph to include part of the text for better flow and readability. Insert a heading next and ask the AI assistant to continue writing from there. It creates a lengthy paragraph, so we'll reorganize and edit it a bit. When you insert a new element, it will be added below the active element, or if there's no active element, at the end of the post. If you prefer bulleted lists over normal paragraphs for certain parts, use the bulleted list element. You don't need to add hyphens manually. They're added automatically at the start of each list item. Our post is shaping up nicely, but some images would enhance it. Let's add an image. In the AI settings, provide your Hugging Face token to enable image generation models. Go to the Image tab, describe the image you want, and generate it. Image generation speed depends on the model selected. Once the image is ready, save it to the Images folder to make it permanently available. The editor automatically creates the appropriate link. Click the image to change its URL or caption, and position it above the paragraph if you like. Use the up and down arrows to move elements as needed. Continue developing our article. Let's add our Google API key and AI settings to use Google's text generation model. Remember to save often. Our post is nearly done, but we still need a title. Ask the AI assistant to suggest a few titles. Pick our favorite and paste it into the title field. Finally, add a card image. We can either load one from your existing images or generate a new one. Provide a file name for the blog post without the HTML extension. To publish, link the index.html, which is the welcome page, and blog.html, which is the blog page. Clicking the Publish button prompts you to save the blog post file to the Posts folder. Also, save these files, which already include our new blog post cards. Save them to the website's main folder. The new blog post card now appears on the main page. Check the blog page. The post should be listed there too. Clicking the card opens the full blog post. We successfully created and published the blog post. You might notice that one post is missing card image and internal image. That means it can be improved. Let's load this post into the editor. Generate a card image and insert it by clicking the Set as Card Image button. The process is the same. Save it in the Images folder, and the AI assistant inserts the link automatically. Next, generate an image to replace the placeholder. Use the caption to guide image creation. Delete the placeholder once the new image is ready. Since we're editing, let's add a link in a paragraph. While editing, the Insert Link option becomes available, placing the link where your cursor is. Add link text and its URL. Publish your improved article. It will overwrite the old version on the main page, looking much nicer now. Thank you for watching. With this blog editor and AI assistant, creating and managing your blog is easier and more enjoyable. Have a nice one and see you around.